Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this tropical queen look with a non-VIP items in DTI. So in this tutorial, we are bringing Island Glam to the runway using only free and non-VIP items. So if you want to know how I create this look, let me show you the steps. First, let's start with the hair. So I'm going to use this two straight hairstyle category. The first one in here. I'm going to use black for the color. Combine it with this straight hair. Also in black. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first, I'm going to go to the women's sections, and for the top, I'm going to use this one shoulder top, this one in here. So you can use any patterns that you like for the top. In this case in here, I'm going to use one from the curl turtle patterns. This is the patterns that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to combine it with this sandals in here, and I'm going to make it red for the sandals. And here for the bottom, I'm going to wear this midi skirt, and then I'm going to toggle it into white and use the same patterns. Then here I'm going to grab this chains, and then here let's grab this coconut, of course, and I'm going to toggle it into hold. Okay, now let's add some accessory. Here I'm going to grab the flowers to put on the hair and change the color into red. And I'm going to put on this necklace in here and change the color into gray or silver. And then I'm going to also grab the earrings. I'm going to put on these earrings in here and change the color into red. Okay, so now once you're done with the accessory, you can finish it with some other touch in here. So I'm going to put on this dress for the skirt to give it a ruffle. So first review is the patterns, and the second one go with the red like this. And I'm going to just also use this top and toggle it into number 3. So I'm going to just use the ruffle in here and change the color into red, just like this. So now the look is done, and this is the tropical queen for you. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like if you are living for this non-VIP slay. Subscribe and also click on thanks for more free outfit hacks and runway ready looks. Bye!